Which of the following characteristic feature always holds true for the corresponding group of animals? Option A, cartilaginous endoskeleton contractile. This is correct. Contractiles, which include shark, rays, and skates, are characterized by having a cartilaginous skeleton made up of cartilage rather than bone. This is a defining feature of the group. So option A will be a correct answer. Option B, viviparous mammalia. This statement is not always true. While many mammals are viviparous, that is giving birth to live young ones, there are exceptions such as monotremes which lay eggs. Therefore, all mammals are not viviparous. So option B is incorrect. Option C, possess a mouth with an upper and a lower jaw. Chordata. This is not always true. While most members of the phylum Chordata, including vertebrates, have a mouth with an upper and lower jaw, not all chordates have jaw. For example, the jawless fish. D. Three-chambered heart with one incompletely divided ventricle. Reptilia. This is also not completely true. This is partially true but not always. Most reptiles have a three-chambered heart, but there are exceptions. For example, crocodiles, which are reptiles, have four-chambered heart. So option D is incorrect. The correct answer is option A.